Hi everyone, welcome to EROTECH Solutions. The project title is Advanced Android Mobile Controlling Robot Using Bluetooth Module. Developed a mobile control robot that utilizes key embedded systems components to enable wireless operation via an Android application. This project demonstrates expertise in both software and hardware integration for seamless robotic movements. And coming to the required components are Arduino Uno board and Bluetooth module, DC motor, and the driver of motor is L293D. Coming to the connections of Bluetooth module, it has 4 pins: VCC, ground, transmitter pin and receiver pin. In that, receiver pin is connected to the transmitter pin of Arduino board, and transmitter pin of Bluetooth module is connected to the receiver pin of Arduino board, and VCC is connected to VCC of 5 volts in Arduino board, and ground is connected to the ground of Arduino board. Next, L293D. It has 4 input pins connected to Arduino board of 2, 3, 4, 5, and another 2 enable pins are connected to the 6, 7 pins of Arduino board, and supply pin is connected to supply of Arduino Uno, and ground is connected to the ground of Arduino Uno. And next, coming to the motors, it requires 2 motors for the operation. 2 motors is connected to the 4 output pins of L293D. Instead of using adapters for a power supply, we can use batteries connected through a wire of Arduino board Uno. Coming to the process, we have been installed an mobile application which is serial Bluetooth controller. After that, whenever supply is connected to Arduino Uno board, then connect the Bluetooth in mobile and operate through a mobile application. Like to give a commands of for operating left side, give a capital letter of L, and right side for capital R, forward for capital F, and backward for watching this video.